Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you this new two-chair skincare organizer. I already installed it. As you can see, this material is like acrylic. Feels so strong. It's a high quality material. Have these two little drawers where this is bigger than this, and you can move it so easy. Two of them. And inside have these little parts that help you to better organization inside of your drawer. This product, you can use it for your bathroom. It's made for your skincare, makeup, or everything that you need in your bathroom. But you can use it to other things too, like in your office or your kitchen for little things that you need to organize. So let me show you how to use it. I will use the drawer of here for the big things because have more space. But I can also use this one for the little ones, like this little SPAs. The idea of this product is that you can have all your things in only one part with a great organization and a beautiful drawer. So this is what we are doing here. So look, I have all my makeup and skincare products here, and I just close the drawers and put it in her place. And it's a safe space product and a great view for my bathroom. So I highly recommend it. See you.